Here's what I think creators should do with NFTs. I think you creators should do a free NFT mint with purchase of a physical item. Because that's what's going to make their audience not be angry or toxic or mad about NFTs or say, oh, you're scamming me. It's like, no, you bought a t-shirt from me. You got a free NFT mint. You got the option, so it's up to you. You got the option to redeem your free minting of an animated NFT that goes with this t-shirt that you bought with this cool meme on it. Well, we have an animated thing of that meme, and you can mint it for $0 as an NFT and have it in your digital collection as a commemorative thing. I think every conference should give every attendee a commemorative NFT mint for $0. And if everyone, oh, the environment. Look, 70% of all pollution is created by 100 corporations. Look it up. We ain't really doing that much. We ain't that special and everything like that. Well, our individual, it's not that it's nothing, but it might as well be if you realize that. And you need to understand the other thing is that not all NFTs are created equal. There is a such thing as Polygon Matic. Fwiz, one of the lead chiefs of YouTube gaming, left to go to Matic, go to Poly, and that's a zero carbon footprint blockchain.
There are a lot of solutions being addressed, like Ethereum to Ethereum 2.0. There's a lot of stuff happening.
So there's a lot of that, and a lot of people are environmentally conscious. You know, the people who build these technologies, they're nerds. Most nerds, pretty literally, like most nerds are on the side of environmentalism. Most nerds have what you might want to call quote unquote progressive values, even though I don't think that has the monopoly on caring about the environment. I think most people care about the environment. But if you had to put it down, all right, someone doing this stuff is going to be a nerd. What do you think a nerd's overall core values are probably going to be? Oh, let me guess. They probably are going to care about the environment. So they're not trying to destroy the earth. Probably not. So like I would just consider the reasonable. I would consider the reasonable things we could do here, because I don't think that most.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link, check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.